The indictment against the former FTX CEO included an additional charge for conspiracy to commit bank fraud. The federal judge presiding over the case for former FTX Chief Executive Officer Sam Bankman-Fried has ordered a superseding indictment unsealed containing 12 criminal counts. In a superseding indictment filed with the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York on February 22, U.S. Attorney Damian Williams alleges Bankman-Fried's actions in the matter involving FTX and Alameda warranted 12 charges. According to the indictment, these included conspiracy to commit wire fraud on customers of FTX, wire fraud on customers of FTX, conspiracy to commit fraud on customers of FTX in connection with the purchase and sales of derivatives, fraud on customers of FTX in connection with the purchase and sales of derivatives, conspiracy to commit securities fraud on investors in FTX, securities fraud on investors in FTX, conspiracy to commit wire fraud on lenders to Alameda Research, conspiracy to commit bank fraud, conspiracy to commit money laundering, and conspiracy to make unlawful political contributions and defraud the Federal Election Commission. The original indictment against Bankman-Fried announced on December 13 included 8 similar charges, while the superseding indictment mentioned an additional charge for conspiracy to commit bank fraud and broke down individual wire fraud charges related to his alleged actions at FTX and Alameda. At the time, prosecutors also listed conspiracy to commit commodities fraud in its charges, which was seemingly included in the superseding indictment related to the purchase and sales of derivatives at FTX. Bankman-Fried's criminal trial in federal court is scheduled to begin in October, while FTX's bankruptcy case is ongoing in U.S. Bankruptcy Court for the District of Delaware. Former Alameda Research CEO Caroline Ellison and FTX co-founder Gary Wang pled guilty to similar charges as SBF in a December plea deal and may offer testimony in his case. This story is developing and will be updated.